Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the leaks and rumors surrounding Apple's next flagship device, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. We'll cover what's changing, what's upgrading, the expected release timeline, and why this could be a major jump for Apple. If you're thinking of upgrading or just curious, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk timing. According to multiple reports, Apple is planning a new release strategy starting with the iPhone 18 series, rather than launching all models at once in the fall. Apple reportedly will split the rollout. The Pro models, including the iPhone 18 Pro Max in fall 2026, and the more affordable models, iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e in spring 2027. Specifically, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected around September 2026. That means if you're watching this now, you've got some months to wait, but also some time to plan your upgrade. Why the change? The reasoning is that Apple wants to spread out its launches and differentiate its premium models first, rather than doing everything at once. So for the video, you could show a timeline graphic. Launch September 2026 gives Pro Max. Spring 2027 gives Standard and E models. Let's move into what's new from a design and display perspective. According to leaks, the overall design of the iPhone 18 Pro lineup will largely retain the look of the iPhone 17 Pro models, familiar size and shape, same premium materials, but with some meaningful refinements. Display sizes apparently will remain the same, approximately 6.3 for the Pro, approximately 6.9 for the Pro Max. The body may become a bit thicker, reportedly due to a larger battery or additional internal components. For example, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could weigh around 143 grams. One of the more eye-catching rumored features, a transparent or semi-transparent rear glass panel, or at least a variant with this finish, allowing a peek at internal components. New color options are being tested: burgundy, dark red, coffee brown, purple, though only one may reach production. On the front display, there's talk of the dynamic island being smaller, or even replaced by a pinhole camera design, and possibly the first under-display Face ID system. So visually, it won't be a radical redesign, but subtle refinements, premium finish, and some flagship improvements all around. Next up, what's inside? The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to pack a significant hardware upgrade. Key points: the chipset is expected to be the A20 Pro chip, built on a 10nm process via TSMC, which promises better performance and efficiency. There's also talk of Apple introducing its in-house 5G modem, C2, moving further away from reliance on Qualcomm. This may bring faster speeds, better power consumption, and Wave 5G support in the US. Internally, things like improved battery, advanced cooling especially if weight increases, and possibly more RAM headroom for on-device AI features. While exact specs are not final, the direction is clear. In short, this is shaping up to be Apple's most polished and performance-rich iPhone yet, at least until then. Now let's get to one of the biggest talking points: the camera system. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to get some very interesting upgrades that could make it stand out. Here's what leaks suggest. The rear main sensor is expected to be a 48MP lens just like current models, but with a variable aperture system. That means the lens opening can change depending on lighting, which improves low light performance and gives more control over depth of field. The image sensor itself may become a 3-stack image sensor via Samsung, rather than the usual 2-layer design. That allows faster readout, less noise, improved dynamic range. Front-facing selfie camera upgrades: the sensor may jump to 24MP, and under-display Face ID could make the front camera module less visible. Also, the camera control button on Pro models may drop the capacitive layer and rely solely on pressure sensing, possibly to simplify the design and cut costs without sacrificing functionality. Additional features: reports of 5G, satellite connectivity, internet via satellite. Not just emergency SOS are floating for the Pro lineup. In summary, the camera system may not only be more powerful but more flexible, giving users DSLR-style control and next-level results. Alright, so what do all these rumors mean for you, the user? And should you consider upgrading? If you currently own a Model 2 or 3 generations old, for example iPhone 14 or earlier, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be a significant leap. New chip, better camera, refined design. If you already own iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, the jump might be less dramatic. You'll be upgrading for refinements rather than a complete overhaul. The decision for many will also depend on whether the standard iPhone 18 non-Pro will be good enough, especially if budget is important. Note, Apple's new strategy seems to push the Pro models first. Price and availability. While exact pricing is unknown, many expect Apple to maintain similar price points for the Pro models, though costs could rise because of premium hardware. For video creators, mobile photographers, or heavy users, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be very compelling, especially if the variable aperture and new sensor turn out to be real and effective. If you're more casual, you might wait and see how the standard iPhone 18 and the E variant shape up in spring 2027. They may offer most of the experience at a lower cost. Okay, to wrap up, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be a major flagship for Apple. September 2026. Release, refined design, upgraded internals to nanometers chip, in-house modem, powerful camera system,